Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to do the basic startup modeling and locking in of a student's model or object chosen. Anyway, so basically the object is, one second. Alright, so this is the image or the item. It's a Bluetooth speaker, handheld. So here's the original student's images that was taken, photo. And then I found a couple more to get a 3/4 shot view. And these especially help out a lot. These two, yeah. I don't have the, what do you call that? This sketches, the orthos. So I'm just gonna base off of this. So eyeball it to model it freehand. All right, so I'm in the scene, and I'm just gonna import the images. I'm gonna dump it into what do you call that? Free image plane. So free image plane, like how I showed you guys before. And from here, I need to be in the attribute editor, right there. Remember, channel box tab, attribute editor tab. I'm going to go in here into the folder. Okay, one second. So here I am. Okay. No, not here. My project's default source images. Where are you? Okay. Date modified. Alright. Guess which one do I want to dump in first? Alright, that one. I like that one. Alright, so I dumped this one in. Just gonna lift it up out of the grid line. And like I showed you guys, the invert view just makes it brighter. Okay. This is super bright. Now, I wanted this bright, but not so kicking white. Anyway, so this one, under the color gain, I'm gonna dial it down a bit. Right. So it's still brighter than what it was originally, but not so super bright. And I'm gonna move it around here for a bit. Okay. I'm gonna go in, create free image plane, another one. Bring it up. Always know where we are in the front view, right? Grab it, attribute editor, folder. It's gonna lead us to the source images. There, they modified. Next one, which one do I want next? Where's my other images? One second. Alright, so I'm back. I had to clean up the image in Photoshop. Alright, so here's this one. Invert it. Okay, good. Makes it brighter. Press R and just scale it up a bit from the center. Right. Put it like that. Go over there for a bit. Next one, edit, create free image plane, folder, shot B. Alright, good. Lift it up, invert, R, scale it up, press W, pull it up. Okay, good. Wow, that's bright as hell. tone it down with the color gain. Right. Maybe even this one too. Yeah. Just right. Okay. Next, create free image plane, folder, shot C, lift it up, press R, scale it big, W, move up, zoom in a bit. Alright, okay with that. This one's still a little bit bright. There. Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna put this one on top of them. Now grab all of those, move it, center it. So I'm looking around, here's my front, push it back. And lift it up a bit more. Reason why I'm lifting it up is because in here, so I was pressing the space bar. In here, when I model it, I just like to have it so that it's not on my eye level while I'm modeling the other stuff. Alright, so that's what, 6 minutes already? Jeez. Okay, so the shape. It's obviously what, a rectangle, right? I'm gonna start with a cube. Right, zoom in. I'm gonna go back into the channel box. Polycube 1, -1 for the height, so it's above the grid line, right? Okay, next. Let me just block this out. Press R. Always know where my front is. I'm gonna pull like that for this guy right there. I'm gonna pull, right? Front view, left, right. Oh wow, look at that. I guess it's okay. I thought I did something wrong. And I'm gonna yank like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna yank on this. Like that. Alt 5, wireframe unshaded. So far it's okay. I pull up some more. So right now I'm just scaling it while it's in object mode, which is green. Okay. Alright, so I need to probably bring in maybe one more image reference. Create free image plane. W, pull it up, attribute editor, folder. This image is useful too. Let's put that in. Invert. Okay. So, and the reason why is that proportionally, if you have hands placed in there, it kind of forces you to remember, like, for example, down here, the width of it and even the length of it proportionally. So basically, if you have a another object to kind of as a size comparison, yeah, that's what helps a lot when you have something else to keep the proportions and sizing in check versus having, you know, nothing, basing it off of nothing. Like what you're seeing starts to, I don't know how to say it, get distorted, right? When you don't have something to compare it to. Anyway, and the next one, create free image plane, folder, and Yeah, this one. See, in this one, it looks not that long. You know, it doesn't look that long. It looks kind of, you know, I don't know how to say it. So this is from the what, bottom up, but regardless, I'm just pulling it back and then just pull it up. Whereas this one, it looks longer. You know, it does look longer. I think that just having the hands in there, it reminds you that, you know, it's longer than it looks. You know what I mean? See, from here, when you look at this comparing to that, at least how I feel. Anyway, and especially this too. Or it could also be the camera distortion, maybe. I don't know. So these are all just things to really consider. Invert, good. Yeah, I think I want this one over here. This one over here. All right. So, from here I got what, couple more minutes. I'm gonna try to keep it less than 15. And I'm looking around. All right. So I'm also looking at this one, and this one here. All right. All right. Like that. I'm okay with the length. All right. Maybe I might squeeze it in a little bit more, right? Maybe do that a bit, right? Yeah, I'm okay with that. Next, we can, you know, clamp this down like that. This and this, you could do that. But I'm also being aware of this face and this, right? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So, what should I do? How should I approach this? Oh, forgot. I should go into my channel box, polycube 1, and my subdivision width, set it to 2. Ooh, what is this? Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. Okay. Alright, let me figure out what just happened. Alright, so I've seen this before where, you know, something like this happens. And the clue is that when I did the scaling, you see how the scale, it doesn't update? It should have updated. See? It should have. And now there's an error here. I have no idea why it's doing this. This happens once in a great while. And this is just a cube. You know, nothing crazy. I just made it off of that. And this stuff is normal by default. Shouldn't be doing this. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is, so using the subdivision width, you can add one in here, but it won't let you. What I'm going to do is shift right click, multi-cut tool. Okay. Hold down control, hold down shift. Alright. And this will do that perfect 50%. 50%. So that's control shift and you click where it says 50%. Press W to get out of the tool. Right click, object mode. Select it. Right click, face. You hold the right click. Press 4 for wireframe. Select those. Delete it. Press 5. Right click and hold. Go to object mode. God damn it. Object mode. Okay. Then I have your construction history. I want to delete that just in case. That's edit, delete by type, history. So I wiped out whatever we did. construction wise. Okay, then this is already 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go to edit, duplicate special, option box, set it to instance, scale -1. This is X column, Y column, Z column. X column meaning this is X. You see the little X right here? X. So that's on the -X. -X by 1. -1. Apply. Okay, close. Let's test it out. Right click, edge mode. Alright, we're good. Right click, object mode. So, alright, so we got this part out. Good. That's the end of this part. And yeah, I'll go on to the next part after that. Bye.